Hey friends, this video is going to be on 8.1, which is basically just reducing fractions. Okay, so if we look at this very first fraction, we can reduce, turn on my stylus here. The 4 and the 18 are both even numbers, so they can be reduced by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 18 divided by 2 is 2. Then the other factor that we have that is the same is this is 2x minus 1, and this is 2x minus 1. And I wrote this down incorrectly. That is a 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9. My bad. I apologize. So what we are going to write as a solution is we are going to write the numerator, which has a 2 in the numerator, and an x plus 4 in the numerator. And we are going to write 9, and we're going to write x plus 2. And that is our answer. That's all there is to it. Don't make it more than that. That's it. So when we go to look at this one, we notice that the factor x plus 2 cancels the factor x plus 2. So our answer is the fraction 1 over x minus 5. And that is our answer. That's all there is to it. Don't make it more than that. On this one, we are going to do step 1, which is to factor. So we are going to take this and we're going to say we have a greatest common factor of 2. And that leaves us a 3x plus 2. And the denominator doesn't factor. So that is a 3x plus 2. So we have factored, and now we're going to reduce. And so our answer to the problem is simply 2. Okay, if we do this one, 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 twice, and x minus 2 will reduce x minus 2. And so our answer in the numerator, we have an x plus 3. And in the denominator, we have a 2, x minus 3. Okay. We are going to factor. We are going to factor. So when we factor, we have x minus 2, x minus 3. Nope, that is not right. Let's back that up. We are going to have x plus 6, x minus 1. Those are factors of negative 6 that add to positive 5. In the next one, we're going to pull out an x to the power of 3. And that's going to leave us x squared minus 36. So then we are going to factor again. So nothing can be done with the numerator. So the numerator stays as it is. Maybe instead of doing that, I should do this. We're going to factor again. Nothing happens to the numerator, so the numerator stays as the numerator is. But the denominator is the difference of two perfect squares. So the square root of 36 is positive and negative 6. Then we're going to reduce. So then we're going to reduce. And if we reduce, x plus 6 reduces x plus 6. Nothing else will reduce, so that is our answer. So our answer, our simplified form, is x minus 1, and the denominator is x to the power of 3, x minus 6. So we are factoring and reducing, factoring and reducing, factoring and reducing. So I'll highlight this so you can follow the color perhaps. If we factor this, that factors to x plus 3, x minus 2. If we factor this, that factors to x plus 3, x minus 1. If we factor this, I hiccuped, sorry. If we factor this, that factors to 3, x plus 1. And if we factor this, the first thing we need to do is pull out the 4. And that will give us x squared minus 2x minus 3, which will give us 4, x minus 3, x plus 1. So step 1 is to factor, and step 2 is to reduce. All right, so if we're going to reduce, let's see. There is an x plus 3 and an x plus 3. There is an x plus 1 and an x plus 1. Is there nothing else? There is nothing else. So the final answer is 3, x minus 2, 4, x minus 1, x minus 3. That's going to be our answer. And that is it, my friends. Don't make it more than that. This is a baby step to something we're going to be doing later. All right. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.